In this video, I'll show you how you can get the best settings for FPS boost and high performance in Marvel Rivals. Now what you want to do first is head over to the settings. In here you want to make sure that you're playing on full screen. My setting is just so I can show you guys by recording, but you want to be on full screen, as well as your resolution should be on the highest. Unless you're having really big FPS issue, then you can lower it, but you should choose the highest one. Then in super resolution mode, you should choose performance. Come down here, and in the graphics quality, the lower you put it, the more FPS you'll get. So I just suggest putting everything on low. So just choose the low option in here and it will turn all the others to low as well. Now, once you've done all of this, you can close it down. And then the second thing we want to do is search for power, edit the power plan, come to power options, and we want to choose high performance. Now, if you can't see it, you might have to drop this box and it might be down here. Once we've done that, you want to search for display. You want to go to device manager, and in here we want to find display adapters. You want to right click on it and update the driver, as well as download the software to your driver. So just Google the name and search driver, and in my case it's going to be the NVIDIA one. Now once we've done that and we want to make sure that we download the software, then what we can do is right click on your desktop, go to display settings, in here scroll down and find graphic settings, in here turn hardware accelerated GPU on, and then you also want to add Marvel Rivals down here. The easiest way to do that is just go into Steam, right click, properties, installed files, browse, click up here, Control C, and then come back here, browse, click up here, Control V, press enter, and then add the game. Once you've added it, you want to select it, options, and high performance. Now once we've done that, you want to come here and search for game mode. For 99% of people, this will increase your performance, so just turn it on. But if you're experiencing any issues, you can turn it back off. Then you want to go to game bar and you want to turn this one off. Then you can close it down. Then what you want to do is you want to come here and search for view, advanced system settings. Go into advanced and find settings under performance. And in here you can play around with this a little bit. If you want to have the maximum performance, you can choose adjust for best performance, which is gonna disable all, but I recommend having the smooth edges as well as show thumbnails on. So you can just apply an OK, and then you can close it down. After this, you can right click on your desktop and open the NVIDIA control panel if you have this one. If you don't have this one, just don't do this. But if you have it, you want to open it and go into manage 3D settings. In here you want to scroll down, find power management mode and prefer maximum performance. Scroll down and texture filtering quality, you want to do high performance as well. After this, just restart your PC and this should hopefully boost your FPS by quite a bit. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as that helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.